Hello, class. These are our construction day 3 notes. So we're still working with constructions today. So the first day, we learned to duplicate our angles and segments and make equilateral triangles. Day 2, we learned how to make a perpendicular bisector. Now we're going to learn how to construct a perpendicular line. So remember, perpendicular lines are at a right angle through a point not on the line segment. So here is a point not on my line segment, and I want to make a perpendicular line that goes down through it. So I want a line down through this one that's going to make a right angle with the line already there. So the first thing we want to do is place your compass on the point. So that's this point right here that's not on my line, and make an arc that hits the segment twice. So what I mean by that is I want to make some kind of an arc. So I can't have it a real small arc like this. I want an arc that is going to be big enough to cross this line in 2 places. So here I'm going to go ahead and draw that. And it's going to cross one place over there and the second place over here. So it's crossing my arc in 2 places. Now I'm not going to move my compass. I'm leaving the compass the way it is, and I'm going to place it on one of the arcs and make another arc that goes through the point but also below the line. So I'm going to put my end here, and again, we're not moving our compass. So I've got my compass point on one of those 2 intersections, and I'm going to sweep a big arc through here, and you can see it goes through that point I already have. Now I'm going to put my compass point at the other end where it crosses, so right there. And I'm going to make another big arc. Oops, that one slipped a little bit. Let's try it again. And so see, that's what I expect you to do too. It slipped a little bit, but I just went back. I redrew the arc. Now everything's fine. So after you draw both of those arcs, you're going to notice it intersects at this point and then a point that's below. So my last step is to use the point and the intersecting arcs to draw the line. So let me go ahead and grab my pencil here, and then we'll connect it. And my makeshift straight edge, because remember, we don't need a ruler. We're not really measuring anything. We just need a straight edge. So now this line that I drew is going to form a right angle with the line segment I already had. So that's what we're doing today. We're looking at constructing a perpendicular line, so perpendicular because it forms a right angle, through a point that's not on the line. Make sure you ask questions in class.